Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best resin for crafts is probably one of the most versatile and exciting materials available to creators today, allowing you to bring your wildest artistic visions to life with stunning clarity and durability. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to elevate your next masterpiece or a curious beginner eager to explore the world of DIY projects, choosing the right resin can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results that are both beautiful and long-lasting. From intricate jewelry and mesmerizing coasters to encapsulating memories in stunning art pieces, the possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. Number 5. Puduo Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear Art Kit, 16 ounces. Unleash your creativity with our Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. It's designed for artists, offering long-lasting, beautiful results for all your projects. Getting started is easy. Simply mix equal parts of the resin and hardener. You'll have plenty of time to work with its 45-minute pot life. Our unique formula cures quickly. You can demold your creations in just 8 hours and achieve a full cure within 24 hours. From stunning resin art and jewelry to unique crafts, the possibilities are limitless. It works beautifully with all your favorite pigments and additives. This kit comes with everything you need. You'll find the resin, hardener, measuring cups, mixing sticks, and protective gloves. What we like? This option offers a crystal clear finish that is perfect for any art project. It also boasts a fast curing time, allowing you to finish your projects quickly. If you are looking for a resin kit that comes with all the essential tools to get started right away, this is a great choice. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and cures with a hard, glossy finish. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level beautifully. Minimal bubbles are produced, and any that appear are easy to remove with a heat gun. Number 4. LEOBRO Glitter 32 Colors Fine Glitter Set. Discover a dazzling spectrum of 32 fine glitter colors, perfect for any craft or decoration project. From vibrant hues to subtle metallics, find the perfect shade to bring your ideas to life. Each jar contains approximately 5 grams of extra fine glitter, totaling 160 grams across the set. This generous amount allows you to mix and match colors freely, adding unique flair to your personalized creations. Experience the stunning sparkle of our fine glitter, ideal for epoxy resin crafts and tumblers. Its extra fine texture blends seamlessly, adding beautiful dimension and shimmer to your artwork. This premium glitter powder is perfect for a wide range of uses, including collages, scrapbooking, greeting cards, and holiday decorations. It's also fantastic for creating eye-catching epoxy jewelry and tumblers. Create dazzling looks with this versatile glitter, perfect for nails, face, body, and hair. Add a touch of festival-ready shine to your makeup and easily remove it with water or a gentle makeup remover. What we like? This product provides an incredible 32 vibrant colors of extra fine glitter, perfect for adding sparkle to any craft. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for resin, body art, and decorations. If you love to add a dazzling shimmer to your creations and want a wide spectrum of colors to choose from, this glitter set is for you. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and cures with a beautiful glossy finish, perfect for jewelry making. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level, which minimizes bubbles. The UV resistance is excellent, preventing yellowing over time, even when exposed to sunlight. Number 3. Craft Resin 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically for a smooth, flawless result every time. This epoxy resin is formulated with minimal odor and is non-toxic, making it perfectly safe for home and professional use. It's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. In just 24 hours, it cures to a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish. It's also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a crystal-clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. It includes everything you need to elevate your art to the next level. What we like? This resin is certified food safe and features a bubble-free formula for a flawless finish. It's also UV resistant, ensuring your creations won't yellow over time. If you need a high-quality, safe resin for projects that will be handled or displayed outdoors. This is an excellent option. What people say. This resin is perfect for small batch casting and jewelry making. It cures crystal clear with no yellowing, even after prolonged UV exposure. The low viscosity makes it easy to pour and demold, with minimal bubbles. Number 2. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for DIY art, tabletops, molds, coasters, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles when warm. For best results, use a recommended depth of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low odor, non-toxic, and VOC-free materials. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, and is harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It takes only 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure and become rock hard. It's scratch resistant and can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art to the next level. What we like. This resin is designed with a low viscosity and self-leveling properties, making it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It is also food safe, opening up a range of creative possibilities. If you're new to resin crafting or prefer a product that makes application effortless and safe, consider this option. What people say. This resin is crystal clear and cures hard. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. The finished product is bubble-free and has a glossy finish. Number 1. Cruzix 140 PCS Dried Pressed Flowers Kit. Discover the exquisite beauty of nature with our collection of 140 real pressed flowers and dried leaves. Each piece is carefully preserved to maintain its natural color, shape, and even scent, making them perfect for your creative projects. Unleash your creativity with a stunning variety of vibrant colors, including green, pink, purple, yellow, red, and orange. These beautiful blooms are ideal for adding a unique touch to resin art, jewelry, scrapbooks, candles, soaps, and so much more. Our flowers are safely sealed in airtight packages to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. The individual, flattened packs make them easy to use and store, so you can craft whenever inspiration strikes. To preserve their vibrant hues, please handle these delicate natural elements with care and avoid direct sunlight. This will ensure your creations remain beautiful and eye-catching for years to come. We are committed to providing you with the best quality products and service. If you encounter any issues with your order, please contact us, and we will promptly send you a replacement. What we like. This kit includes 140 natural pressed flowers and greenery that beautifully retain their color and scent. They come vacuum sealed for protection, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. If you want to add a touch of natural beauty and delicate charm to your resin art, jewelry, or other crafts, these pressed flowers are a wonderful choice. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and cures hard without any bubbles. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level beautifully. The UV resistance is excellent, preventing yellowing over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.